Our team coverage continues now with how people working outside are doing their best to stay safe, and you can see smoke and haze hanging over the city of Lancaster. Fox 43's Harry Lee live there with advice for anyone who has to be outdoors this afternoon.
Well, Evan, just standing out here, you can still smell the smoke. You can taste it. My eyes are even watering a little bit, but it is still just a work day. So people have to go to work. Some of them have to work outside. And if you do have to be outside today, there are precautions you can take. It takes cement a few hours to dry. So construction worker Matt Spohn was out smoothing a new sidewalk Thursday morning in Lancaster, despite a code red air quality warning from the National Weather Service.
Because it's not really that bad out, I don't think. There's plenty of other people out here working. It just doesn't faze me.
School activities have been canceled, outdoor events postponed, as doctors urge people to protect themselves from the smoke.
So the best precaution is not being outside.
And if going inside isn't an option.
Having said that, if you have to be outside, one of the good things would be to try to have a mask on.
Dr. Rahman also suggests avoiding activities that can make you out of breath.
Avoid jogging outside, more sort of strenuous activities, anything to sort of prevent less of these particulates getting into the lungs.
Not everyone, though, is taking this advice.
No, I don't believe in the mask.
Poor air quality is especially hazardous for those with asthma, heart disease, and lung disease. If you have one of those conditions and work outside, health experts suggest watching the forecast, and if it's code red or worse tomorrow morning, you may want to consider calling off work. Now, another sensitive group could be considered people with allergies, because staying outside for just about 15 minutes, you can start to get allergy-like symptoms, and these can be exacerbated if you are also allergic to the pollen.
So, quick question, Harry. You mentioned the benefit of mask wearing. Why aren't you wearing one?
That's a good question, Evan. I actually have one right here. I have been wearing it. I just took it off to talk to you. But it is important that you do wear a mask if you're outside, and the N95 mask that we all wore during the pandemic is a good option. Now, experts say you can also use in a pinch a scarf or a surgical mask, but that isn't as good. Live in Lancaster, Harry Lee, Fox 43 News.
All right, Harry, thank you so much. And we can't stress enough, poor air quality can be hazardous to anyone, but especially those with asthma, heart disease, or lung disease. That's according to the National Weather Service. Seniors, children with those compromised immune systems also need to be extra cautious. Exposure to air pollution can cause headaches, irritated eyes or sinuses, fatigue, difficulty breathing, chest pain, and coughing.